So this is the lender call script guide. All right. So applying it to your business. So initially, when you go on these websites, some of them y'all may just say, "Give me your name, your phone number, your email, and select one of these options for the use of funds." You may just only be submitting an inquiry. Okay. In the beginning, it may not be a full-blown application. All right. And let me tell y'all the beauty of the fact that you can have a new LLC, right? New being less than 2 years. You only have a handful of lenders who will do a line of credit or a loan for LLCs that are less than 2 years old. And on top of that, you have to have full tax returns. Okay. So they're going to go off not what revenue you generated, but they're going to go off what did you net. So all those write-offs everybody's so excited you get, right? No, it means you have limited access to capital. The beauty in a CDFI is you can get loans and lines of credit. Okay. And you don't have to be 2 years old. You don't have to have, full tax returns. So that is why I keep emphasizing, hey, a new LLC. This is the biggest hack. You can talk to people who, if you know, entrepreneurs who write off a lot of, their expenses. They can't go and just so easily go and get 15, 20, 50. They'll go up to 50,000. Like they can't do that without with showing the revenue that they show. But with the new LLC, you're able to do that because it's all off of projections, right? So, and knowing what to say. So online, it may be the inquiry, and you're going to get a call. Okay. And in the example I just showed you guys, with my client, she got a call the next day. All right. And use of funds. They just want to know how you're going to use the funds. Well, if you're a startup business, honestly, there's only a number of ways to use it. One is marketing. And how do you say that in a way that, sounds professional and makes somebody want to give you their money, right? Right? Saying you plan to invest, increasing your business visibility and your customer reach, right? You plan to invest in what? Digital marketing, promotional content, advertising efforts. You want to attract some consistent customers. That is a startup business. That's what they're going to focus on, marketing. They're going to build out spaces, marketing, and then you need working capital, like your everyday operations, rent, utility, supplies, maybe got an employee, right? Payroll. So these are reasons how you can explain use of funds. All right. And then, when they ask how much money are you requesting, again, the inquiry may not even ask how much, but if so, you may put it there and then the person's going to ask you the same thing. Okay. You let them know that I'm requesting 25,000. I'm requesting 50,000. I'm requesting 15,000 because that amount will allow you to do what? Execute your marketing plan and support some operational expenses. Okay. And you want to say without overextending the business. What does that mean without overextending the business? It simply means without me, pretty much going what we call it on a personal side, living beyond my means. You don't want to, right, go beyond the business means. And then knowing that what it aligns with the CDFI lending ranges. Okay. You want to minimize the risk and grow. These are keywords they're listening for, okay? And then how to describe your business. This part is super important. I give you a short snippet here. I have a whole training on how to build a fundable LLC. I teach you how to describe your business quantitatively and qualitatively. But here again, being built out already, you just want to let them know the service your business provides, right? It may be a product, what product or service your business provides. And you help customers by delivering what do you do? Okay, so in the instance of my client, she provided marketing services, B2B and B2C. So she delivers, marketing campaigns, email marketing, and different marketing services she was able to say there. So being clear on what service your business offers, how you helping customers. I help. It's called an I help statement. Can you say and articulate your I help statement? You help customers do X. Okay. And then I like to add the bonus part there. Like my focus this year, I want to increase sales, improve my systems, and I want to build a consistent monthly revenue because that's what startup businesses focus on, the foundation.